Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to remove a golf driver head, full guide. Secure the club in a soft vise and protect the shaft and face with tape. Use a heat gun at moderate temperature to soften epoxy around the hosel. Rotate with a proper hosel wrench while keeping steady pressure and checking alignment. Clean residue with a solvent and steel wool, then inspect threads before reassembly. Warm the hosel evenly for 1 to 2 minutes while rotating the club gently by hand. Protect the shaft with high-temperature tape and prevent the head from moving in the vise. Use measured torque with a hosel wrench once the epoxy softens and feel for gradual loosening. If resistance remains, apply more heat and repeat until the head turns freely and separates cleanly from the shaft. After separation, keep the head and shaft aligned to avoid bending the tip. Remove leftover epoxy carefully with a plastic scraper and a solvent safe for the finish. Use fine steel wool sparingly to polish metal threads, then wipe with isopropyl alcohol to ensure no residue remains. Measure the shaft tip and verify thread condition before fitting a replacement head or reinstalling the original component.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.